Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Ethio Technology YouTube channel. In this video you will learn around 25 questions with answers that are concerned about fundamentals of computer. So let me start the questions and attend this video till the end of the video. Okay, let me go to the questions. Question number one. Here is question number one. Who was the founder of Google? Who was the founder or inventor of Google? A. Chloe Wagin and Benji Wagin. B. Larry Page and Sergey Brin. C. Michael Brin and Eugenia Brin. D. None of the above. The answer for this question is B is the answer. Larry Page and Sergey Brin was the founder of Google. Okay, let me go to the question number 2. Here is question number 2. In binary 1 kilobyte or KB is equal to A. 1 megabyte, B. 1000 byte, C. 1024 byte, D. None of these. The answer is C. 1024 byte. In binary 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 byte. But if it is in decimal, 1 kilobyte will be equal to 1000 byte. Question number 3. Which shortcut key is used to shut down the computer? Among the following alternatives, the one is used to shut down the computer. A. Shift, B. Alt plus F4, C. Control plus F4, D. Control plus Tab. The answer is B. Alt plus F4 is used to shut down the computer. If you press Alt plus F4, your computer will automatically shut down. Question number 4. Question number 4 is this one. The first computer network is A. LAN, B. WAN, C. PAN, D. ARPANET. The answer is D. ARPANET means if it is expanded, advanced research, it will be Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Question number 5. Question number 5. How many function keys are on a keyboard? You know that a computer has keyboard, and from this, how many function keys are on a keyboard? A4, B8, C11, D12. The answer is D. D12. There are 12 keys which are found on our keyboard. Question number 6. Question number 6 is this one. Which language was used to program the second generation computers? A. Machine language, B. Assembly language, C. Binary coded language, D. All of the above. The answer is B. Assembly language is used to program the second generation computer. Question number 7. Question number 7. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation program? A. Basic, B. C language, C. Machine language, D. Assembly language. The answer is choice C. Machine language is directly understood by the computer without translation program. Question number 8. Let me go to question number 8. Here is question number 8. Binary language is also called A. High-level language, B. Assembly language, C. Machine language, D. All of the above. The answer is C. Machine language. This machine language is a binary language. Question number 9. Here is question number 9. Which language is used for artificial intelligence? Among these alternatives, the one is used for artificial intelligence. A. C. B. COBOL. C. Prolog. D. Fortran. The answer is Prolog. C. Choice C is the answer. Let me go to question number 10. Here is question number 10. Which of the following is an extension of Notepad? An extension of Notepad. A.txt, B.xls, C.ppt, D.bmp. The answer for this question is A. .txt is an extension of Notepad. Question number 11. Question number 11. Portrait and landscape are blank in a Microsoft Office. A. Paper size, B. Page layout, C. Page orientation, D. Or. The answer for this question is C. Page orientation. This portrait and landscape are found on Microsoft Office, and these are the page orientations. Question number 12. Which short key is used for paste? As you know, there is a shortcut which is used for paste. A. Ctrl plus P, B. Ctrl plus T, C. Ctrl plus V, D. Ctrl plus E. The answer is B. Ctrl plus T. A is Ctrl plus T is used for paste. Question number 13. Here is question number 13. Which of the following is an example of a web browser? A. C++, B. Tally, C. MS Word, D. Internet Explorer. The answer is D. Internet Explorer is one of an example of web browser. There are also another web browsers which are Firefox, Torch, Opera, and so on. Question number 14. Which of the following is applicable to all computers? A. Basic, B. COBOL, C. Machine language, D. Fortran. Fortran is the answer. It is applicable to all computers. Let me go to question number 15. Question number 15 says, which of the following is not a computer language? A. C, B. Fast, C. Basic, D. Fortran. Which of the following is not a computer language? The answer is B. Fast is not a computer language. The others are computer language. Okay. Question number 16. Here is question number 16. Which of the following is part of system unit? A. CPU, B. CD-ROM, C. floppy disk, D. monitor. The answer is choice A. CPU or central processing unit is a system unit. The others are not system unit. Question number 17. Which is used for playing games? A. Joystick, B. pen drive, C. light drive, D. none of these. The answer is choice A. Joystick is used for playing game. Question number 18. Here is question number 18. When the computer is already on, the restart of the computer is called blank. A. Shutdown, B. logging off, C. cold booting, D. warm booting. The answer is D. warm booting. When the computer is already on, the restart of the computer is said to be warm booting. Question number 19. Here is question number 19. What monitor consumes least power? A. LCD, B. CRT, C. LED, D. none. The answer is C. LED consumes least power. Question number 20. Question number 20. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid cathode display, liquid B. Liquid crystal display. C. Light crystal display. D. All of these. The answer is B. Light crystal display. Let me go to question number 21. Which menu contains the option print in Windows? A. File menu. B. Edit menu. C. View menu. D. Insert menu. The answer is choice A. If you go to Microsoft Office Word, you'll get the print in file menu. You know, you will get the print option or the print menu in file menu. Question number 22. Here is question number 22. Which key is used to rename selected icon and file or folder in Windows? A. F2, B. F4, C. F5, D. F8. The answer is A. F2 is used to select icon or file or folder in Windows. Let me go to question number 23. Here is question number 23. Verification of login name and password is known as A. Authentication, B. Configuration, C. Accessibility, D. Logging in. The answer is choice A. Authentication is a verification of login name and password. Question number 24. Here is question number 24. A mechanism used to protect network from outside attack is A. Antivirus, B. Formatting, C. Digital signature, D. Firewall. The answer is choice D. Firewall. It is used to protect network from outside attack. Question number 25. The last question. Here is the last question. Which of the following is an example of an image file? A. .xls, B. .doc, C. .jpg, D. .mp3. The answer for this question is choice B. .doc is an example of an image file. Okay, thank you very much for your good attention. This video is, I think this video is an important video for you. Please put your comment below this video. That will help me. And please share this video if you like it, and subscribe and click the ring button. So this is I have finished my video. Till next time, bye bye.